In this video, we will learn about tables in HTML. Tables are super important in HTML because they allow us to organize data. So to create a table using HTML, we need to create a table tag, opening table tag and a closing table tag. Yeah, like this. Just save it and open it in the browser. Refresh, nothing will appear. And now in the table, this is a table tag, and now in the table we need to have rows and cells, or the table data, whatever you call. So to write a row, we use a tr tag or the table row, like this. And inside the table row, we write the cells or the table data. So we can write td and just write any name, or you can write name and the last name. Save that, open it in the web browser. You can see the name is so you have to remember one thing, that all the rows that come go horizontally, vertically, and all the data that comes goes vertically. So this is a row and it has some data. So you can see that data is going horizontally. And we can write something, some names of some children, or we can write some names. So we need to create another row to do that. We can write a name such as, let me write my name. So Varnodip, and as you can see, my name is coming under the name, and I want to put my surname under the last name. So I can do that. So I can write not the RD, let us fix the spell here and write my surname. Sorry, I just misspelled, or no, something has happened. Let's refresh it. Oh no, something is happening now. Let us write it again. Yeah, now you can see this. My surname is coming under the last name. And now you can add as many rows as you want and as many names here. So let us add another name. We create another row and write some data in it. So write td, and inside the td we can write some name such as John. Let us write the surname, any surname. Such as Doe, John Doe is a very famous last name. Let us write it. Something has gone wrong in my PC, and you can see this name, John Doe, under the last name. And now we can also do some more things with the table, such as we can put a heading. So to do a heading, we need to add another row, and we write a table heading using a th tag. And we can write name and another th, we can call it last name. And we can now delete this because this looks a lot better, because this is our heading. And now we can delete the name and last name, that row. And now the table should look like this with the heading. And now it is best to wrap the table row and the table with the heading in a t head tag. This is only for the heading. It is best to wrap it up for the best practice. And you can put the table row and the table heading with the table heading in it under, and close the th tag, head tag. Nothing, no changes will appear. And now it is best to put the content, all the table content in a tbody tag. So let us write that tbody. Save that, return to the web browser, no changes will appear. And now there is also another tag to wrap the footer. So there is a tfoot. And we can write a row inside it and with some data. Just these are names and last names. And you can see, but it doesn't look so good. Let us make it a bit smaller. We can do like this, you see, there, because this data means this text is a bit longer, so it doesn't look good. So if you write a table, you can make some short type of text, such as some names. These are short. Now it looks a lot better. You can put anything in the tfoot, but let us see if we can put any short thing. We can write a row, and then the data, table data. We can write names. You can write like this, and under another table data you can write last names. And you can see this. So this is how to create a table. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.